Good morning. Good morning. I just woke up 15 minutes ago. I don't know what happened. I woke up to my wife's alarm. My alarm, apparently, I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if I turned it off, if she turned it off, what happened. I woke up to her alarm, though. All I know is that I asked her when I went to bed last night to bring me my phone charger because I had left it in the living room. And she said, okay. And she plugged up my phone when she came back to the bed. And I don't know what happened. I think she's trying to take me down. Just kidding. I don't know. I don't know what happened. Anyway, good morning, Jeet Corp and Justin Eubanks. Thank you for joining me, guys. It's good to see you in the chat. Yeah, if I sound like I just woke up, it's because I kind of did. All I did was wake up, look at my clock, go, oh crap, I'm late. And then I got to figure out what I'm doing. So I was like, I saw this thing about the SEC is like scammed or, cracked down on somebody last night that I'd never heard of before. Seems like that's always the case. Not always, obviously, but seems like when they win, it's somebody I've never heard of. So, fake CEO, real fraud. SEC cracks down on Hyperverse's $2 billion crypto scam. That's all you need to know. Be safe, people. Be safe. That's all you need to know. It's really nothing. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has charged Hyperverse founders with crypto fraud after their alleged Ponzi scheme stole nearly $2 billion from investors. $2 billion, but I've never heard of it. I'm sure somebody Hyperverse sounds a little familiar, but Hyperfund is what I first read. That didn't sound familiar at all. Wake up, wake up, it's almost the first of the wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. Yeah, I got you. All right, Bitcoin. So this is the Matic trade. We said go short on, yes, well, I didn't say we. Sniper's Nightmare said he was short. Let's get that corrected. And I said, yeah, if there is going to be a short, this is how I would do it. Yeah, that didn't happen. Ended up creating equal highs here. So a pullback and then a push up to take out those equal highs. What are you going to do? So I was looking at Bitcoin last night on the 3-month chart. And I was thinking to myself, we're not bullish enough. We're not bullish enough. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure to the upside of one mega super cycle. Maybe. That is what it looks more and more like to me, especially on the 3-month chart. And our RSI is right where it was before we took off last bull run. And then if I move on over here, we're about right here on this bull run. So we're right where we need to be before we go straight up to the upside. And we ride those waves all the way to the moon. Now, I had something fun. This is going to have to be a short stream, but I appreciate you for joining me and hitting that like button and subscribing to the channeling. Subscribing of the channeling and the meddling. I thought I had something. Maybe it was on the other chart. I did, man. I had. Maybe it was total. Maybe it was this one. No. Okay. Well, I tried. Guys. I tried. Man, that total two's looking bullish, man. On daily. Yeah, buddy. I had something drawn up. Like, I did this just for you guys. Was it Coinbase? It's not Coinbase. Hey, but this is something different. So I was talking about those deviations yesterday. Outside the range. Made them a little more visible. I got some trend lines on here to make things a little more visible, and yep. Get rid of this. This is not right. What are we at right now? We're at $43,543. So we're up about $500 from when I went to bed last night, or maybe $300. And we're just keep on pushing. Just keep on pushing. I wonder if we'll get a short squeeze today and push through this trend line here, this secondary trend line that we'd have met resistance at right there. Or, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. 1, 2. It's not clean. I don't like it. Let's see. Can we be a little bearish here? We have a little kind of look like a Batman. What am I on? 1 hour? Okay. Be careful here, because a lot of patterns look like this. Be careful. I would wait for like a candle close above here, maybe. Get a confirmation and then right up to the next point of interest and then jump out. I'm not much of a confirmation trader. I like to catch falling knives or put in entries at like 0.786s and 187s and then just set my stop loss just above the high and then just either tag that low there or this low here and then call it a day. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, fine. Most of the time I won't say most of the time it does. A lot of things got to line up. Let's see what the market cipher says. The fake one. No, this looks healthy. Everything's flipping to the upside. I think we might get a break today. We might make a break. We're at 43.5. We might make a break for that 45 today. See, this is yesterday's move. Yeah. So if we just do a measured move from yesterday, we can take this. And yep. Clone it. Almost get you there. 44.6. 44.5. And if we take the whole move, stuff's not clicking. I'm doing this as soon as I wake up. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Measured move. Straight to that $45,000. Hold on. I need to go long. Not financial advice. Okay. Maybe I'll do it after the stream, and then I'll miss the move. Probably not. It'll probably be another 9 o'clock thing, because we do have news today. Gotta bring the energy. Sorry, I told you. I just woke up. Leave me alone. No, don't leave me alone. Come back. What was that? Oh, yeah. Who loves Star Wars? I love Star Wars. What is today? Tuesday. All right. So, yeah, we have the Jolts. We got Jolts jobs openings today at 10 a.m. With news events, that doesn't always mean that something's going to happen at the time of. Something may not even happen. Because we're in weird times. But we do have FOMC tomorrow, so the Jolts job openings isn't the only news of the week. So, who knows? Just be prepared at 10 o'clock, 11, and 1:30. Just watch those times. Yeah. That's when the machine gets rolling. Let's go take a look at the Dow Jones. Why? Because I gotta. I want to show you guys something. Zoom it out. Notice little deviation out. Come down, push up. Ours is a little different. Ours was the top first and then the bottom. So maybe maybe Bitcoin's about to die. Who knows? The Dow Jones isn't too far from a new all-time high. We're sitting just 2%, 2.5%. Will you act right? 2.27%. Okay, from all-time highs. The NASDAQ. Wait, NASDAQ already broke all-time highs. From the 7, and so did, what do you call it? DJI. That's from the 4.236. NASDAQ is not a thing, apparently. Can you imagine? NDX. It's only Tuesday, but it should be a gravy day. I have a trainee at work who I'm training, and he used to trade steel futures back in the day, and he went to school for finance and stuff, so I've been picking his brain here and there. He has had some issues. Takayo. Aloha. And as we can see, that the NASDAQ is pretty darn close to hitting its 4.236 extension. And this is from is it the Great Recession? Where did I pull this one from? Dave Digital in the house. Dave Digital. He was my first ever wrench, of course. Because who else would be your first ever wrench other than Dave Digital? That's funny. Yeah. So he was the first ever wrench. I might have to throw I think I might have to throw Jeet Corp and Justin some wrenches. They've shown up more than anybody else, especially Justin. So maybe tomorrow, maybe we'll do some what do you call it? I don't know, a ceremony for wrenches. A wrench ceremony. Oh, and we can look at the prime oscillator prime here. We've got some bearish divergences coming in. As the NASDAQ is reaching out for that 4.236, the Dow Jones, bearish divergences as it's reaching out for that 4.236. But guys, we're bullish and there's nothing to worry about. We're bullish and there's nothing to worry about. I pray. So what I think is going to happen is we're going to come up here and we're going to go static, and then we're going to come down, and then the stock market's going to die, and then Bitcoin is going to become a flight to safety, and all the money's going to flow into Bitcoin, and we're going to $2 trillion price. Okay? Takaya is used in the Mexica Spanish language, meaning same name. Same name. Dave Digital, is that because we have the same name? Dave? Takayo, same name. Same name. I work with some people from Mexico. They're good people. I love them. All right. $1.626 trillion market cap. Oh yeah, and this is also right after Bitcoin hits a macro 618, so, nothing to worry about that. That's another thing about Bitcoin is we should, every single time in the past we've come down, and we have at least before the halving seen that 30% drop. So, everybody kind of expects it, but that doesn't mean it can't happen. But everybody is kind of expecting, instead of this, they are expecting, let me get rid of this, an ABC in here. Because that's simply what has always happened, pre-halving, is that 30% drop. And that would take us right back down to this resistance level that we broke through and give it a nice little back test for support. So it's not out of the realm of possibility for this arrow to come down here. So that is what I'm looking at. Maybe we come down here and then push off of that and get moving. Now, I probably won't. Maybe it won't be that fast. When is this? This is March. Oh, this is right after the halving. So, or before, because halving's in April-ish. But we do have a dynamic reactor right there. Oh, what if it was just a quick plunge? Could you handle it? Could you handle just something, just a straight line shot, almost over a month of February? February was just bloody February, and then we turn around and get going in March and April, June, July, August, September. This could be the one right here. Take that plunge down to 32K and get moving. Just all I'm saying is be careful. We're coming up to a point to where it will have to make that decision. So just gotta keep that in mind that we could see that drop. Let me know in the chat if you think we'll see it. Buy the dip. BTFD buy the dip. Same name. C means yes. I'm still waking up, guys. I'm so tired. I'm not really tired. I just haven't woken up because I'm usually up an hour before the show. And I was up 15 minutes before the show. So I'm doing my best. Now, if I'd put this on the 3-month, I did see this which makes me think that maybe holding this value area high on the month. Well, this is the 3 month. Let's go to the monthly. So yeah, we're 1 day, 12 hours away. What if we just get that a quick wick down to 30K on FOMC tomorrow? Or yeah, because tomorrow's the 31st. So all we need to do is hold this. Not all we need to do. We need to do a lot, but we need to hold this value area high on this whole range here, which would be very nice. And that sits at about what? Come on, somebody tell me. That sits at about $40,169. So we hold that for the month, and we're good. We already broke above that value area high and closed above it. Now we got another candle that dipped back down into the value area, but came right back up. And so that's really bullish. We need to see that hold. This is on the monthly chart. 3 month chart, basically the same thing, but we have 2 more months to play out on this. So, we can wait until we get more data, more volume in here for this one. We're just in the first month on this one. Plot twist, we were all waiting on 100K last bull run, but got a pullback. Fast forward till now, and we're all waiting on a pullback. Hello, 100K. It's funny you say that, Dave, because you're going to find out tomorrow on Piper Academy. I should have went long when I said I was going to go long, because there it goes right now. On Piper Academy, he is going to be releasing a video that Alex, Tradefly, OC Guy, and myself put together for price predictions. And I wasn't able to go over, well, I felt a little rushed. That was on me. I didn't have to feel that way. I felt a little rushed on my end. So I ran through things a little quicker than I wanted to. Oh man, I'm not supposed to be showing you this. Go away. Go away. Go away. Oh. Go away. Go away. Why are you here? Go away. Alright, this is what I want to show you, Dave. This is Elliott wave theory, okay? So, if you count your waves properly, then you will find that we had a 1, 2, 3. Now, a lot of people will argue, they will. A lot of people will argue, I've seen it, that we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and completed a 5-wave Elliott wave structure. However, where's my 5-wave? I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Making this a 5-wave structure within this 3rd wave of this larger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you say we were waiting for that pullback, I believe this was that pullback. I believe we are still in wave 4 of a 5-wave structure, because we never broke this wave right here. This one, we never broke wave 1. We stayed above wave 1. This one doesn't matter. This one only matters since we broke it coming to the upside, and we do that in our 3rd wave always on our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I say always. We've only had this type of cycle once before, but this is what I'm looking at. I think our bull run got cut off short, and we just had a longer correction on our 4th wave, and we're moving up to complete our 5th wave, which is an extended wave, because we had an extended correction. So that's what I'm looking at. We can see. I go a little more in detail on that on the Piper Academy price prediction video. But but I plan on putting out a whole video going through everything that you see on this chart and maybe more. So there's a little clue, and we'll just have to see what happens. All right, guys, I gotta call it. I gotta go get ready for the real job. Luckily, I have a lot of driving today in my real job, so should be fun. Anyways, stay safe, guys. Don't put any more money into the markets than you can afford to lose. If it's between your rent and crypto, put it into your rent. Okay, and yeah, everybody be safe. Don't forget 10 o'clock. We do have the JOLTS jobs opening. That is 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we could see some volatility leading up to that. After that, just in general. So just be safe. This is a pretty crazy, news-packed heavy week. We do have volatility in the markets. Obviously, we're up 3.5K from freaking Sunday or something. Something around there. Or at least up 2K since then. But yeah, so just be careful. Bitcoin's pumping right now. So have a great day. It is Tuesday. If you drive a lot, I'm making like $600 a week on honey. Bro, get Hive Mapper. I'll look into that because I drive a crap ton every day. So I'll look into that. But anyway, thank you for joining me. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day. Have a radical day. Don't forget to ride the waves and use a stop loss for the love of God. Okay? Don't get wrecked. All right, friends. Love you all. See you in the interwebs. Peace out. How do I? What?